Here's how to convert WebM video to OGG audio. So if you've got a WebM file, you can actually drag and drop it into this new file converter that I created called ConvertSave. You can find it in the link in the description or the pinned comment, or just go to convertsave.com. So we drag and drop our file in, we've got a WebM, and it automatically detects what kind of output we can do. And so we're going to select down here, OGG, we're going to call it OGG, and then we can just convert save. Doesn't upload your files to any weird websites. That's why I went to my brother, who's a software developer, and wanted to try to make an app like this. It works for Windows and Mac, and like I said, no weird sketchy websites. You can actually do images, video, and audio with ConvertSave and do all these different conversions. And you can also do a bunch of different options and adjustments while you're doing your conversions too. So default, it's going to do like a one-to-one conversion, just like best quality possible, and convert your file to whatever format you want. But we also have this advanced setting now where you can go in here, and depending on the tool that's selected, you can actually give it custom commands. And if you don't know those advanced commands, you can go into the options builder and see what kind of different options you can add to your conversion. And so depending on what you select here, like quality wise or filters or even start and stop time, it will build out your command. You can save it, and it's going to show up right down here as your custom command. So it helps you build that out for that conversion, or even for any conversion going from WebM to OGG here on forward. You can actually save it, and it will, we'll go ahead and add in a custom flag and then hit done. And you can see this little blue dot up here. That just means you have a saved command that's going to be like a custom conversion for those files, and you can save them per conversion. So pretty awesome advanced stuff that you can add in here, but also you can just drag, drop, convert, save. We wanted it to be that simple and that quick because I use this and I don't want to waste time. And it's a lot quicker than going to any website to upload, download 3 at a time or something. You can do, I've tested thousands. So depending on what your computer can handle, you can do whatever. Go check it out, convertsave.com, or I'll leave a link down there. I appreciate you guys, and thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.